I just want to celebrate you this morning, the Lord of the universe. I praise you, Lord, for it is good to sing praises to our God, for it is pleasant and praise is beautiful. Lord, you rule supreme in heaven, greater than the roar of the ocean, more powerful than the waves of the sea. Lord, you reign. You are robed in majesty. You are clothed and armed with strength. Because you have strengthened the bolts of my gates, you have blessed my children within me. I magnify you, Lord, for you bring peace to my territory. You abundantly provide for me the best grain. My heart leaps for joy, and with my song I praise you. I thank you for my voice comes to you like a sweet-smelling savor, whether or not I know how to sing. It gives me so much pleasure to know that you appreciate even my singing. Oh Lord, how excited I am to know that it feels good for you to hear my tone of melody. I wake up in the dawn praising you, and I go to bed at nighttime adoring you. Because I am born to give you praise. Praise is what I do, and nothing else. I will bless you, Lord, at all times. Your praise shall continually be in my mouth. I have leaned on you since birth. You pulled me from my mother's womb. My praise is always for you. Your unfailing love surrounds me, Lord, for my hope is in you alone. O sovereign Lord, you have given me your words of wisdom, so that I know how to comfort the weary. Morning by morning you wake me and open my understanding to your will. I thank you for from your glorious, unlimited resources you empower me with inner strength through your Spirit. Let the fields be jubilant, and everything in them. Let all the trees of the forest sing for joy. Come, let us sing for joy to the Lord. Let us shout aloud to the rock of our salvation. Father, you are amazing, for in your hand are the depths of the earth, and the mountain peaks belong to you. The sea is yours, for you made it, and your hands formed the dry land. I bow down in worship. I kneel before the Lord my Maker. Holy, holy, holy are you, Lord Almighty. The whole earth is full of your glory. I thank you because you will not allow me to lose sight of the blessings that I receive every day I rise. I look around me and praise you for all the blessings I see, and even praise you more for the blessings I cannot see with my eyes. Today, as I turn my heart to praising you with my eyes focused on you, I find a new perspective as all challenges begin to fade away.